Here I've got Blackview BV9700 Pro, and let me show you how to activate and use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select sound, and here you should pick Do Not Disturb. And you can switch it on by tapping on Turn On Now, located at the bottom of the list, and now it's active. Then you can switch it off the same way simply by tapping on Turn Off Now. You can also personalize this mode here, so you can select some particular behavior, add some exceptions, and also schedule your D&D mode. So let's start with behavior, pick sound and vibration, and here you can personalize which sounds you would like to leave in this mode. So I will leave alarms only. Then you can personalize the notification, so just pick which one you would like to have. You can pick no visual or sound from notification, or no sound from notification, so you will still have the visual notification, and this is what I will choose. Then you can add some exceptions. Let me pick calls at first, and here you can allow calls from anyone, contacts only, start contacts only. Then also you can do the same thing from messages, so allow messages from anyone, contacts only, start contacts only. Let me add contacts only, and also you can allow reminders or events, so it's up to you. You can also schedule your D&D mode. Simply click on duration, and you can either pick until you turn off, for some particular hours, or ask every time, and this is what I will choose. And then let's pick turn on automatically to set some automatic rule. Click on add a rule. It can be event or time. Enter the name of this rule. And now at first you have to select the days on which it should be active. So let me pick Sunday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And then period of time. So let me select, for example, 11 till 8 AM next day. And finally, you can also activate alarm can override and time feature. Simply tap on this switcher, and this is it. This is how you can use your Do Not Disturb mode in Blackview BV9700 Pro. Enjoy it and use it as often as you want to protect your focus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.